Hi Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. Welcome back to your Twin Flame and Soulmate Connection energy reading for end of February 2021 with me, Ivy, Spiritual Messages and Tarot. If you're new to the channel Taurus, welcome, and if this message resonates with you, I will really appreciate your support by clicking subscribe and hit the notification bell. Without further ado, let's get into your reading. Okay Taurus, so let's look at into your energy and your person energy for your soulmate and twin flame connection for end of February 2021. So I've got the mutual energy here. Let's see of your energy here, Taurus. Also, Taurus, please note that this is a collective general energy reading. Therefore, it may or may not resonate with every single one of you out there. If this message does not resonate with you, Taurus, please kindly consider checking your moon, your rising, or your Venus sign. And if this message resonates with you, I would really appreciate your support by clicking like, share and leave a comment in the comment section. By doing so, you will be eligible for free monthly giveaway readings, which I'll be doing towards the end of the month. Alright, so let's see your person energy here, Taurus. Okay, so one more. Okay Taurus, so on this side is your energy and on this side here is your person energy. Let me arrange it. Alright, so on this side here is your energy, Taurus, and then on this side here is your person energy. Again, due to this is a collective general energy reading, the roles or the energy can be interchangeable or vice versa. Now looking at the sign here, Taurus, I'm getting a very strong air energy, Aquarius, Libra and Gemini. I'm also getting like a very strong fire energy here, Aries, Leo and Sagittarius, as well as water energy, Cancer, Scorpio and Pisces. So you could have any of those signs in your chart, or your person could have any of those signs in that chart. Now looking at your energy here, Taurus, I've got the 8 of Cups, I've got the 7 of Cups coming up here, and then I've got the 7 of Wands. The overall energy within yourself here, Taurus, I'm getting a very strong Tower movement coming up here. So the first thing that I'm picking up from your energy here, Taurus, is that a massive confusion, massive doubt and fear energy coming up strongly within yourself here, Taurus. I do feel like you are at this point of time in a huge crossroad and you just don't know what you need to do and even like where you need to begin here. Part of yourself here, Taurus, wants to move on, like wants to start something new here. You want to just completely walk away from this whole situation, from all of this heartbreak, all of this disappointment energy here. But you also like not sure if this is the right path that you need to take here, which is why I've got the Tower moment coming up here. I do feel like at this point of time here, Taurus, there is going to be a huge Tower moment coming up in your life. Now do not be scared when I mention about this Tower moment energy. Not all Tower moment are something that you need to be scared of here, but this Tower moment is basically talking about the breakthrough energy, because the major reason for all of this confusion, the doubt and fear within yourself, and I'm also getting this very strong 7 of Wands energy coming up here as well, feeling defensive and just not sure like what you need to do here. And as a result of this, you may find yourself like feeling a little bit of bitter, or just like arguing with people, like having that energy of anger and just like frustration, like bitterness surrounding you here lately, I would say here, Taurus. So also another thing that is coming up quite significantly here is that the number 7 is coming up quite significantly in your reading. The number 7 is basically talking about a little bit of imbalance energy. 7 could be quite significant. You have been in a separation for 7 months, 7 weeks, 7 years, or even could be since last July. But anyhow, with the number 7 and the unbalanced energy, as well as with this Tower movement, a very strong breakthrough energy coming up for you here. The first thing that I've got for you here, Taurus, is that letting go energy. What kind of thing that you need to let go here is that letting go of that control, letting go of that codependency energy, letting go of that attachment, toxic attachment, negative attachment that you may have on your person or you may have on this particular situation. Now I've always told this like for many times here, even though such person is your true divine counterpart or your true twin flame and your true soulmate energy here, does not mean that you need to get obsessive about this. The moment that we tend to get obsessive and the more that we tend to get control about the external circumstances here, this is when we're going to get frustrated, because when we are trying to control something, especially especially when it comes into the divine timing energy here, we need to understand that we do not have that much of power to control such a big energy like the divine timing. So at times here, what we need to do here is that stepping back and just let our fate take control, like just let our fate, like to just move forward here, because that is the that is the major thing that you can do at this point of time here, Taurus. And by doing so here, this is when you're going to get that peace energy here. So this particular tower movement or this particular breakthrough moment here is actually going to give you that peace that you deserve, I would say here. So the more you try to control things, the more you're just going to be confused, and the more you're just going to get frustrated, I would say here, Taurus. Now looking at your person energy here, I've got the Six of Pentacles and the Six of Swords coming up here. So it's quite interesting because the number 6 is coming up quite significantly in your person, and the number 7 is coming up quite significantly for you here, Taurus. So what does that mean? The number 6 is basically talking about balance as well as karmic energy coming up here. So I feel like some of you here, Taurus, your person currently stuck in a karmic situation as well as stuck in a third party situation. Now karmic situation can be anything, can be another person, toxic friend, toxic family members, some sort of like financial difficulty or some sort of like financial situation here. Because with this number 6 coming up quite significantly in your person reading here, this is another confirmation that your person is currently stuck with a certain karmic situation or with a certain karmic contract here. But what you need to pay attention to here, Taurus, is that the Six of Pentacles and the Six of Swords coming up together. The Six of Pentacles is talking about balance mentally, emotionally, as well as financially here. And the Six of Swords is basically talking about moving forward into a much more calmer situation here. So I do feel like your person has been stuck in a certain situation where there are a lot of conflict, there are a lot of unbalanced energy here. And now it's time for your person to slowly moving out of that situation, moving out of that energy here. And why I'm getting that, I've got the Nine of Pentacles coming up here as well. So this is basically talking about someone getting independent, someone getting by themselves, I would say here. This is a very strong single energy, I would say here, Taurus. So the thing here is that, Taurus, they are currently single or going to be single here, and in general they are starting to get independent within themselves. So for those of you who are your person currently in a third party situation, they're actually going to be single pretty much soon and going to be independent financially, emotionally, as well as spiritually independent, I would say here, Taurus. So with this Nine of Pentacles energy here, this is the time that they're finally going to pay attention to all of their needs, I would say here. And the moment that they're becoming independent within themselves, the more that they are becoming single and becoming independent within themselves, yeah, this is the time that they're finally moving forward into a much more calmer situation, which is actually moving forward towards you here, Taurus. And I've also got the Queen of Swords energy coming up here, and then I've got the Justice energy coming up here as well. Like I said, being single, financial situation here, this could also involving some sort of like legal system and legal issues such as legal separation, divorce, child custody and child support issue. And with this Justice energy coming up here, not only that, if your person is currently involved in some sort of like legal system and legal situation here, the justice is going to be in their favor. But overall here, Taurus, with the number 6 coming up together, this karmic situation here and this justice energy, they're finally going to get the karmic justice that they deserve, which is actually going to bring balance within themselves here, Taurus. And when they're starting to get the balance within themselves, this is the time that they're finally going to come towards you and offering you that committed relationship, offering you that energy that you actually deserve here, Taurus. So that's it for your reading. I hope it resonates. If it does, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next reading. Have a good day, stay safe and be blessed. Bye bye.